Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 2005 Dodge or Ram pickup. It's a full-size pickup. And this is the older style. I'm going to show you how to change the taillight bulb when you have to. So you open the tailgate, and there's two screws in here. It's usually Phillips, but they may have been changed over time. So we're changing the bulb on this. So we got that out. We took the two screws, and the whole assembly came out. Now, when the assembly comes out, it's attached. It's got this attachment to it. All right. So once we get the light out and it's separated, the bulbs are under here, and this is connected by this light bar. It's connected by 4 screws, which we've already loosened. And there's your lights. I'm going to film this out of reverse order, so if you can bear with me. Alright, so once we get that separated, basically we know which bulbs are bad, so we just pull, I'm going to do the middle one, pull it straight out, and there's numbers on the bulbs that tell you what the bulb is. Okay, so you take the bulb to your local supply house, tell them it's for a Dodge pickup, it's for a stoplight or turn signal, get the new one and you put it in. So disconnect the wire here. It's got a safety clip here. It's very difficult, and you press in here. If you need to, you pull, and if you can't pull it, you can use a screwdriver to help you. Put that back together. So before you put everything together, you want to test the bulbs. That way you don't put it together or find out you didn't put it in right or there's something wrong. Everything's good here. Right, so now that everything's plugged into the light, we're going to put the light back in. You can see there's push pins here and grommets they slide into. And then the screws on the side hold it in. We're going to line that up. Line them push pins in. You don't want to force anything. And then we're going to put the screws back in the side, and that's what holds it. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Hopefully this helped. I kind of recorded it a little bit out of sequence, but I hope you got the idea here. It was out of sequence because I started the video while I was in the process, so I kind of backtracked a little bit. Please subscribe and share with a friend. It really helps. Thank you.